what do you really want? Before he had a wife and loved him, and twin girls. And he had a father who was thinking about running for president, who was vice president. And so I think it was a combination of all of those things.
You guys are so sweet. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. Kiss, kiss. Love, love. Birdie love. Birdie love. Yes, you guys are so sweet. We love each other.